Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 99 Nassau Drive here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
This charming one-bedroom, one-bath Hampden East condo located in the desirable area of 16 acres has so many amenities. Let's go take a look.
Looking for move-in ready? Then this is the one. With a large open living room, sliders out to a deck overlooking the nice manicured lawn.
Spacious formal dining room is perfect for entertaining family and friends, and the large bay window lets in lots of natural light into the kitchen.
Some of the updated features in this home include dual closets in the bedroom, new heating system, and hot water tank.
Outside you'll find maintenance-free exterior and a fabulous location. All you have to do is just bring your furniture.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 99 Nassau Drive here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. I'm on my game today.
Yes, you are.
Large open living room with sliders. Looking for, oh man. Fuming, no good.
And a little choppy chop.
Looking a manicured ground. Oh. Gosh darn it. Yeah.
You have like this little
You are watching a master at work.
Yes. Woo.